This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Keller. Newer 3-bedroom/2-bath home with terrific center of lake view and water fountain directly behind. This popular area floor plan home was built in 2021 and owners have added an extended screened lanai, a fenced backyard, new fridge and accordion storm shutters to make it better than new. Southeast rear exposure great for your comfort while enjoying covered lanai relaxation and dining. Offered partially furnished as you see it. The kitchen features an island with seating for 4 people, quartz counters, 36-inch cabinets and stainless steel appliances with a new fridge. Tile in main living areas with carpets in bedrooms. Located in the resort community of Magnolia Landing, which offers many sporting/fitness/social activities, optional golf membership and very moderate fee structure. Your new Florida home is ready for you. For more information, review the details below.